Welcome. Today in front of me Motorola Moto Edge 20 Pro, and I'll show you how to take a screenshot without buttons on this device. So first you should go to the settings app and here go to the display. Right now tap to the advanced options and scroll down with your finger to the 3-finger screenshot option section, and here just tap to the switcher to turn on this function, and now just touch and hold with your 3 fingers anywhere at the same time, and as can you see, we got here a screenshot. You can share with them, edit them or delete. And also if you just turn it off, just tap with your finger here and you'll just make the screenshot with your buttons. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.